Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. So in this video I'm going to unbox and show you the video recorder. So this is a camera video recording box. So this is the GV Touch one, the brand of this. So now let's look into this. Here you have made in Taiwan. So in here there are many features in here, you can see. So the best thing which you can do in this, so I'm going to show you the video why I'm uploading this video. The most important thing which you can do, you can watch the camera from your phone if you connect this. So let's get started. So here is the box. So now let's see what else are the things which we are getting in the box. So here you go. So here you are getting the power supply kit. So you will get a mouse. You're getting a mouse also for free. And then here are the power supply switches. Cables. So here's the DC adapter. And you will be getting these nuts and bolts. So now that's all inside the box. So now let's unbox the camera, the recording box. So here you go. Let's unbox this. So here you go, and here is the final box. So the thing why I uploaded this video is to show you that what is the feature which you can do in this box. So here's the box. So in this box, the best feature which you have is you can connect it for your phone, and you can see inside the box it will be connected. So there is a internet port in here. So you need to connect this internet port to your router. So once you connect this internet port to your router, then if you want to see from your phone what is happening in your house, this box will be connected to your phone, so that you can see all the CCTV cameras. Instead of the monitor, you can use it in your phone. So in here there is an app for this. So let's see that. So in this you have iCloud software in here. So once you connect this console to your phone, you can see what are happening in your house. So in here you can see how to connect it for the cloud. So in here this will come in the TV, and they will give a QR code. Once you scan the QR code, you will be getting this in your phone, and you have to put a password. So that is how you connect it. And once you read this manual, you will get to know. So if you want the manual, I can just send you. You can just see in here. So thank you, bye.